Presenting the Link-A-Light by Western Technology. As the leader in rugged portable lighting for hazardous locations, Western Technology introduces a new light system built for ordinary locations. The Link-A-Light by Western Technology. The Link-A-Light is an LED stringer light system that connects end to end. The connections are color-coded to assist with proper installation. Just screw in the interconnecting cords to the light heads to build out your light system. Each light head emits a wide floodlight projection that boasts up to 6,000 lumens while drawing less than 1 amp. Each light head has a dimmer function for proper illumination of various size workspaces. Although the Link-A-Light is not explosion-proof, it is still built to the same standards as a Kickatup light. They are machined out of solid blocks of aircraft-grade aluminum, giving it tool-like reliability. It has weatherproof electrical couplings that protect against electrical shortage. Protective lenses and multiple mounting options have been carefully designed to support the needs in various spaces. The Link-A-Light is easily recognizable with the same signature green color and black polyurethane bumpers for added safety and protection. As with all of our Kickatup lights, the Link-A-Light is designed, manufactured, and serviced in the USA. The new LED stringer light system. The Link-A-Light by Western Technology. Call us today or visit our website for more information.